Hey guys, now on this video I'll be sharing with you two things that you can actually do to drive traffic to your product. Alright, now one reason why you struggle to make sales is because people are not reaching out to you, or your product is not being seen by a lot of people. So what you want to do is to drive traffic on a daily basis to your product so that a lot of people can get to see you, a lot of people can get to know you, a lot of people can get to know that you exist, and they would want to buy your product. So the two ways that you can actually get started is by you creating content on a daily basis. Yes, if you can do 2-3 contents on a daily basis, you are on your way to creating visibility for yourselves. So you want to decide which of the platforms you want to create content on. Now your content can come in videos, your content can come in audios, your content can come as write-ups. Decide which of this content you are comfortable with. For me, I love videos, and that is why you are watching me right now. Alright, so guys, which of this way can you create content for yourself? But also you want to consider your customers, because most times the way you create content determines if they would see it or not. Some people are in free mode. Yes, there are a lot of people having free mode on Facebook. So guys, if you're creating videos, they will not see it. Why? Because they don't have data to actually watch the video. So you want to decide to do text instead, right? So that they would read the text, because they will not see your video, they will not see the graphics that you have used. But if you are sure that the customers you're looking for have data to watch, why not? You can definitely, start creating videos for your product and putting it out there. Why? Because videos get more attraction as compared to, the text and also other forms of content. So you want to decide where exactly you want to start creating your content on, right? So you want to create your content on every of the social media platforms. Yes, I would want you to have presence on every of the platforms, even if you are not consistent on all, right? So you can choose 2 platforms that you will be consistent on every day, but then always have a touch of you, always have a touch of your business on all of the social media platforms. Also, you want to use the social engines, right? So YouTube is one of the social engines, Google is one of the social engines, because people go on Google, people go on YouTube to search for things. So you want to show up there when they come to search for things. So you want to create content also on those platforms. For business owners, who says you can start creating content on YouTube? Alright, there are thousands of people that go on YouTube searching for a particular thing. If your business or your product is solving a particular problem, then you should be creating videos on YouTube and driving it to your product. Alright guys, so you want to plan out how you can get started with that. Alright guys, another way you can drive traffic to your business, to your product, is by running Facebook and Instagram ads. Did I just say Facebook, Instagram ads? That's not the only ads you can run. You can run LinkedIn, you can run Google, you can run YouTube, you can run AdSense, you can run all the ads, yakpa. Alright guys, so you want to start running ads, and mind you, yes, we are talking about ads on social media, but you can also run our local ads on newspaper, local ads on radio, local ads on TV, whatever TV channel channel, your subscribers, your customers are watching, whatever radio stations, your customers are always listening to, whatever newspaper, your customers are always reading, you want to run ads there. Get seen in those places also. That way you are increasing the amount of people that sees you every day. Yes, guys, with these two ways, you can get known fast and furious. All right, guys, so let me know in the comments, which of these ways would you be using? Will you be doing content creation, or would you be running ads? My number one take is for you to run ads and also create content, because when you start running ads, a lot of people will be coming on your profile, a lot of people will be coming on your page to actually check you out. So if you're not creating content that is of value, they would still not buy from you. All right, so while creating ads as the fast way to reaching people, all right, you want to also build your portfolio on content creation on your profile and also on your page so that you can get better results. All right, guys.